This is another super simple recipe by 15th century Maestro Martino di Como. Pan-fried, I quote, fatty cheese that is not overly aged or salted. Reminds us of the Swiss and Northern Italian cheese fondue or raclette traditions. But this one, after being melted in a small pan, is sprinkled, why not, with a little sugar and cinnamon. I melted the cheese over hot coals, as desired in the recipe, but a stovetop will of course do the trick too.